everyone, and welcome to my channel, Time to Cook. And what am I cooking today but a delicious kielbasa skillet dinner. And I am making this whole meal in my wonderful 12-inch deep cast iron skillet. This is super quick and easy. I'm talking 20 minutes or less. These are my favorite kind of weeknight meals. So let me show you the ingredients that I will be using. But first, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'm putting out delicious recipes every single week. So if you hit the notification bell, you'll know as soon as I upload a new recipe. And give me a thumbs up and let me know that you like this video. All right, I am using a smoked kielbasa sausage in this dish. I also have a 1 pound bag of the baby golden potatoes. I really like these. They cook up quick and they are cute. I also will be using 1 yellow onion, and then I have a 1 pound bag of the French style green beans. You can get this in your produce section. I like these because these are already hand washed and trimmed. Makes my life a little bit easier, and I like it because they are fresh. If you wanted to use canned or frozen, you can absolutely do that as well. I'm also going to be using some chicken broth. Now let's talk seasoning. That is one of the things that I love about dishes like this, is you can use whatever seasoning you want, whether it's ranch or Italian, even some taco seasoning. I'm actually going to be using a little bit of this kicked up chicken seasoning blend that I have here, just for a little extra spice. It's got your paprika, it has onion powder, red pepper flakes. So yeah, I am using this today. First thing I'm going to do is cut up my onion. And I'm going to add my onion to my skillet. Next, I'm going to cut up my kielbasa. Next, I'm going to add my kielbasa to my skillet with my onion. Now I'm going to let these cook until the onions begin to get tender and there's some nice color on my kielbasa. Alright, so while my sausage and onions is cooking up, I'm just going to take these baby potatoes and I'm going to cut them in half. Going to give my potatoes a light rinse. Alright, so this is looking good. And now I'm just going to add my potatoes. And next I'm going to add my green beans. Then I'm going to pour some chicken broth in. And it's probably around 1 cup to 1.5 cups, just until it almost covers those potatoes. And now I'm going to add some salt. And I'm going to add some of my seasoning. Okay, so I think I'm going to add just a little extra garlic powder. And I'm also going to add a little extra paprika as well. Alright, so next I'm just going to cover this and I'm going to let this cook for about 15 to 20 minutes until the potatoes are fork tender. Easy peasy. Another thing that you could use cabbage in this, and I have done that many a times, and it is delicious. You could use asparagus or Brussels sprouts, peppers and onion. Well, you already got onions, but you could use peppers. There's just whatever you want, throw it in there. All right, this is a quick and delicious kielbasa skillet meal. You will definitely want to give this one a try. That is so good, so simple. With just a few ingredients, you can have a delicious skillet meal. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon with more recipes.